All right, this is part 2 of the review extra problems. This is a tangent function, and we want to find out what is the equation of the line, or the function. And notice they don't use A, B, C's, and D's. They use P's and Q's and T's for its transformations. So go ahead and draw the picture of this graph, and then we'll go out and find the pieces to this equation. All right, let's talk about shift change. Is there a shift change up or down on this tangent function? Up 1. Yep. Here is my point. There is my principal axis, y equals 1. And there is my center of my snake. So my Q then is, or we also call it the D, equals plus 1. Then let's talk about, here is my 1 revolution for my snake, and then it has some vertical asymptotes. These asymptotes equations are at x equals negative pi and x equals pi. Those are my vertical asymptotes. How long is 1 revolution? How long is the period of this question? The period equals 2 pi. From my parent function for a tangent, my initial asymptotes were at negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So this is a longer period. So we have to find out what is the b, or in this case the p of this question. So to find the b or p, what equation do we use for tangent? Period equals, be careful, is it 2 pi over b? Or how long is a traditional parent function for a tangent? Pi over b. The traditional is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. The parent function of a tangent is 1 pi. So the period for this equation that we use is pi over b. Now let's substitute in what we know. We know the distance from this is 2 pi in this graph, and we solve it for b. So we're going to multiply both sides by b. So 2 pi b equals pi. Then divide both sides by 2 pi. The pi's will cancel, and our b is a value of 1/2. So now we can write the equation for this tangent function. So the tangent of our b value, which is 1/2, x, no shift change left or right, it started right in the middle, and then it moved up 1. So there's my equation for my tangent. And that'll finish.